Hello friends, in this short video I will demonstrate to you how you can find and share the location of a place with your colleagues, friends or your family members so that they can use that location to reach there. For example, you and your friends have planned to visit Rawal Lake in Islamabad, which in fact one of the beautiful places to visit in Islamabad. You can share location of Rawal Lake with your friends so that they can easily reach there by following the Google Auntie. So here is how you can share the location of Rawal Lake with your friends. First of all, in your browser type maps.google.com and in the search bar type Rawal Lake Islamabad and then press on the search button. Now you have zoomed in to Rawal Lake. Here wherever you see watercolor, it is the lake, and on the upper side of the lake you can also see the park where people go and spend their quality time. On the upper side of the park you can see the main road which goes to Murray Hills, and the entrance of the park is also on this road. So most probably it would be better if you share location of the Lakeview Park roundabout so that everyone is supposed to reach here, and then from here you can further plan your visit, which includes going inside the lake through a boat as well. So friends, to share the location, just click on any place where you want your friends to reach. In this case I am going to click closer to Lakeview Park roundabout. After clicking, we see this small pop-up window which appeared on bottom of the screen showing location of where I just clicked. Towards right of this window we can see a button which is used to share information. Just click on this button. After that you will see this window from where we can copy the link. From this window we can also share this link on Facebook, Twitter, or we can send via email using the connected Gmail address. But you might find it easier to just copy the link and then share it with others either through WhatsApp, SMS or email. WhatsApp would be an easier way to share. Once you have shared this via WhatsApp, your friends just need to click on the link which will be opened in Maps app on their phone. From there they just need to click on start, and then Google Auntie will start guiding the road directions to reach the Lakeview Park roundabout. Hope you found this video informative. Please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel if you have not done so already. Thank you for watching.